All right, you guys. I just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. I might regret it later, but I don't right now. So, let me fill you in. Hello, by the way. I'm Melissa, owner of 3milelaneco. If you didn't already know, welcome here. I'm working on a large sticker order. And what I'm about to tell you is not being done because of this one order. I have several orders to do, and I am planning, sorry, I'm out of breath. You'll know why in a second. I'm planning on some really big things in 2021. So, for that reason, I did something. I got another one. It was on a really good sale at Joann's. Best price I've seen it ever. So I had to do it. I had to pick one up, and I got it in the exact same model and color. They did have a maker that was on sale for $100 off the regular price, but it was still a little bit more than I wanted to spend right now. Okay. So, this is my office. Welcome here. Don't mind my sweatshirt. It's really old. A friend made this for me long time ago with some HTV, and I did not follow the directions on how best to wash it. So that's why we're in this situation. So I did pick up an extra light grip mat as well, because that's the mat that I use to do my stickers. And my other one is in a state. It's looking kind of sad. It's really well loved. So I can't really use this for much. I think that one actually is probably getting to the end of its life, because I've cut in the same place so many times that it's pretty much broken. I need to make a special place for this, which I'll probably put on my shelf over here. But I'll do that in a minute. I just need to get it moved right now so that I can get set up and cutting. Fresh out of the box. You might be a little far away, but I think that we can make it work. Fresh out of the box. Oh, I'm so excited. My first one, like I said, came off of Amazon, and it was, I think it was slightly damaged in transit. So I'm really excited. This box looks nice and crisp and fresh. I just did the Joann's pickup. I ordered it on the app, and they brought it right out to my car, and it was fantastic. It comes with a light grip mat. I thought it came with a standard mat. Well, that's great. Now I have an extra spare. I'm very excited about that. Yes! All right, so it also comes with the Let's Get Started software. So it comes with this Get Started paperwork packet. And when I first did this, the first time around, it was, not gonna lie, I was confused. So I'm gonna just kind of go through this with you. Oh, and I'm dropping all of my stuff. Okay, so it comes with 2 pieces of heavyweight cardstock to do a test cut to make sure everything's working properly. It comes with the Let's Get Started packet, which is just a really simple card system. So those are the materials in there. It also comes with the warranty statement and a larger piece of cardstock here, which I probably won't use. And then it comes with the manual, and there's useful links on the back of the manual. So the manual has just a whole bunch of stuff, images, the library, design space. It kind of walks you through the basics, the different machines they have, what's included in this box, and kind of how to get started. I'm not going to show you all of that because I honestly didn't even use it myself, and I'm not going to use it today. But if you're brand spanking new, it can be a good place to start. I don't think my first one came with the same cords, and if it did, this one might have been a return, because I need to look in the box, but I'm pretty sure I did not get the same cord that's in this box. So I'll have to look. Okay, here it is. Oh, it still has the plastic on it and everything. Power cord and the USB cable, which I'm 99% certain I did not get this, because the one I'm using is actually for the silhouette on my old CRICUT. And then it does come with a pen in case you want to do like the writing stuff. So we're gonna peel all of this paper off, or the plastic, but I'm gonna do a little video for TikTok. If you guys don't follow me over on TikTok or Instagram, you're gonna wanna make sure that you head over there. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I'm gonna set the dial to custom right now because that's the setting that I use. I'm going to get the power cable plugged in. Whew. Beauty, you're a beauty. Now I'm going to plug it in, and it's in the back here. Ta-da! All right. I'm gonna get over on this other side. And I'm gonna bring you closer. I'm gonna put the light back over here. Okay. It's much slower at opening than the other one, but maybe that'll get faster. Oh, but it's so smooth. Look at it. All right, so I can pull this out. Oh, the light's on. There is a blade in there. I don't see any packaging in it. Oh, it's a premium blade. All right. Looking good. So I can put that back in the tooling slot. I'm gonna power it on. All right, so now it's powered on. I'm gonna turn on my computer. Bring this over here. Nothing's in my chair, so I can sit in it now. I can move my light again. And yeah, I'm gonna log in. You can't see that part. Oh, that's wrong. My Mac likes to add extra characters. Okay, I don't need any of that up at the moment either. All right, so I'm gonna open CRICUT Design Space. Now, if you were doing this brand spanking new, you would wanna follow the directions and go to cricut.com/setup or whatever that website was in your packaging material. It'll take you into the internet and do all that. But I have already downloaded CRICUT Design Space. I've been using it for my other CRICUT for a long time. So now I'm going to test it. Okay, so I'm going to open the project that I'm working on. And this is a large sticker project. And I have to print a lot of them. So I'm going to click on Make It. And when I'm here, I need to continue. I do need to print a page because I've already cut those. So up here it says connect machine, and I'm waiting for the Bluetooth to register, and it should register that I have one machine right now because this one is off. So I think that's what this one is. Now it's still spinning, so I'm wondering if it hasn't quite connected to it yet. So I'm just going to send it without turning on my other machine yet. I'm going to send it and see what happens. So the dialog pops up, and then I select paper matte, best, color fine, and print. Okay, so it should print. So, okay, now it says, please check that your machine is connected and powered on. So I think this is my old, I think that's the old one. So what I need to do is make sure that I tell my computer to connect to the new one. So I'm still leaving my old one off because I want that to fail again so that I can connect my new machine, which I'll do in just a second. Yeah, so I wonder if I can change the name. So as soon as this is ready to go, I'll let you know. All right, so we're back at having to select one. So I'm gonna go up to the menu, or maybe it's not that one. No, I don't want to cancel. I want to make sure it prints all the way first. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wait until it finishes printing, and then I'm gonna cancel this and go to new machine setup. So as soon as it's done printing, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have canceled the cut and I'm back on my canvas. So now I'm going to go up to the menu and do new machine setup, smart cutting machine. This is the Explore family. Yeah, we're good on space. I already plugged it in and powered it on. I did plug in the USB, but I have not plugged it into my machine yet, so I will do that. I need to get my little dongle guy, and we will get that set up. So the power goes in the dongle, the USB goes into the USB slot on the dongle, and then plug it in. Okay, now it is connected via USB, but it won't let me continue. I don't know, I'm just gonna exit out the whole thing. Quit. Now I'm going to go back in and make this wider. There we go. And then go here and new machine setup and go through it again. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now it's letting me. That's interesting. All right, so continue. Explore, update. Update, explore with the latest and greatest features. Okay, update. It's up to date. Okay, next. Register, yes, I agree. Register. It's registered and set up. Okay, easy. No, thank you. I don't need that. I want to skip the test cut. I don't need to do that. Okay. And all right, so now I've printed this already. So I am going to hit customize just because I like to go to this. I like to have it on my canvas and then make it. So now I'm going to go to make it and continue. And let's see. So it's registering the USB and it's getting the firmware to make sure everything's up to date. So that part might take a minute. So once I get it starting to cut, and I'm gonna let it cut through a whole sheet first. I've already printed. Oh, I need to set up my materials on this machine. Ooh, okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna click Browse All Materials. And then I'm going to go into material settings actually. And I'm going to add a new material, scroll all the way to the bottom, add a new material. And I call mine Weatherproof Stickers. And my keyboard is getting tired, so it likes to mess up. Save. And my cut setting, I start at 300, especially because there's a brand new premium fine point blade in this machine. I'm gonna start it at 300, and I do 2 times the cut, and it is a fine point blade. So I'm gonna save that, click done, and actually I need to favorite it, so it's on this. So I'm gonna click on favorites over here, browse all materials, and then I'm going to find the material I just made. And I'm going to star it, which will favorite it, and then I will select it and click done. Okay, so under pressure, I'm going to start with less because it's a fresh, brand new blade. So now it's flashing, it's on custom, and I can load the sheet. Well, I need to put some laminate over it and then put it on the mat, and then I can load it. So give me a minute. Now that I'm thinking about this, I'm really nervous that I haven't calibrated it yet. And I might waste these stickers. So I'm wondering, regardless, I would have to print a new sheet anyway and laminate it and do the whole thing. So I'm just gonna go for it. This machine likes to be aligned to the right bracket, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this and see how it does. So I have that in, I have it aligned to the right. Oh, it sounds different even. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's done cutting. I'm going to pick the mat up a little bit, unload it, and let's take a peek. Okay, it is a little tiny bit off. But actually, maybe not that much. I'm trying to compare the edges of these two. It's actually, honestly, it's not bad. They all look really good. And these look good too. So let me peel the backing off. And since this is a brand new mat, it might take a minute. You can't see what I'm doing, so maybe I'll try. I'm bending the mat a little bit, not folding it in half, just slightly bending it so that the stickers pop off the edge. I'm sorry, the angles are really bad. Okay, so I do think I need to up the pressure a little bit. So instead of cutting on less, I'm going to cut on normal, default. I can clean these up a little bit. Okay, but first cut is looking really good. I just need to fix the blade. So I think, so I have it on less right now. I think I want to actually edit the material because it's a brand new blade and I want to try and mimic as close to the other machine as possible. My battery's going to die any second. So I'm going to edit. I'm going to up it. Oops. I'm going to up it by about 5. I'm going to go to 10. No, I'm going to go back down to 305 because it's just barely there. Okay. So there we go. Yes. Those are the changes I want to make. And now I'm going to try 2 at a time and see how it goes. All right, so both machines are turned on. This one is plugged in by USB. That one is Bluetooth right now. I do have a cord plugged in, but I haven't plugged it into the computer because I want to see how it's going to work. So I've opened up a second window by going to File, New Window. So I have 2 windows open now. So here's the USB window, and I can tell because the materials are different. And then if I right click, I can go to my other window, which is this one. So I'm going to make it and I'm going to get it printed. Continue, send to printer. Actually, wait. Looks like this device is already connected in a different window. Cancel. I want to choose the Bluetooth device, which is not connected in the other window. So I'm going to let that connect. I'm going to send it to the printer. Everything's still the same, normal process. I don't know if it's gonna pop up. Yep, there it is. Okay. And matte specialty paper. I've got paper in, best quality, color fine, print. Okay, so there's that window. And then if I come down here, I can right click and go to the other window. Now, obviously, I can't print at the same time. So I'm going to have to wait until the other one's done, but I have it set up as my USB, so that's my second machine. And then once this one is done printing, once the other machine is done printing, then I'll print from this one. Oh, and I'm going to cut them at the same time. I can't wait. Okay, so I am sending my next one to the printer for my for the Wi-Fi one, the Bluetooth. Okay, so that one's printing in the background. And now my USB is ready to go. So I'm gonna select my weatherproof stickers and I need to load it. So here we go, aligning it to the right, loading it up, and hitting the cut button. So that is preparing and it's getting all registered. So now I can go back to my other window. And look, I'm gonna be able to cut them at the same time. Okay, I have the mat loaded into each machine. I'm starting with the Bluetooth machine, and that pressure is default. So it's flashing, so I can hit it. And now I'm going to switch to my other window, and that's flashing, so I can hit that too. Oh my gosh, this is a momentous occasion. So that is it. That's what I wanted to show you, setting up my second Cricut, getting it all ready to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed that and found some value out of it, or maybe got inspired to ramp up your business and get those sticker sales and all that jazz. So thank you for joining me. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to check out all my social medias. All of the links are down in the description below. I'm gonna finish off the night getting these bad boys running like 100%. So I can't wait. Dinner's almost here. Chipotle, here I come. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.